Hi. It's not over. We're not done with this game.
He really wanted to do it.
We got an ending that I was not pleased with because I just wanted to grab my bag and get all the cool stuff I got in the forest to go in the helicopter. But no, if I choose to grab my bag, I stay. I don't want to stay. I wanted to fucking leave. I just wanted my bag. Is that really such big of a deal? Apparently it is. So we're playing it again. Not the whole game, don't worry. Just from where we saved last time to the ending, so we can go on the fucking helicopter and leave. Because I am not staying in this game. I'm not staying on the island. I don't even care if it's the end of the game, but it doesn't matter. If it's just gonna take us away on the helicopter anyway, we're leaving. And now that we know how to do everything, and it'll be a little easier because we know how to navigate around the cave, and it's quick. So, oh, there's so many demons, bro, that we gotta go through.
Yeah, I don't.
Whatever. We'll be fine. We'll be chilling. Alright. We're here. Back very far deep, nowhere close to lava. It's okay though.
People who's watching, I don't know why he. Okay, I get.
Do
why.
not play that game with me, because you know why.
Yeah, I guess so. I'm kind of agreeing with you.
Yeah, like, you really want to end the game like that? Like, it's such a good game that we played, you want to end it with us just fucking staying on the island after all that?
Alright, so what is it?
PJs.
Wait, before we do anything, okay. Let's make Molotovs. Okay?
Let's make bombs, make Molotovs. So,
Alright.
let's get a little more. Let's get a little more prepared than we were before. I don't have any grenades, but I do have ammo now. I have stun gun ammo, and use the chainsaw. And if I find a 3D printer, I'm making arrows. Alright. Sorry,
Alright, so
I know you don't want to go through this, but I'm not ending the game like that.
I guess we can try the different endings here.
Yeah, we got the crosses burn demons. That thing that we didn't.
I mean, it was a pretty big letdown, honestly. The first game.
It was a really big letdown. Well, I just got slugs, so I should probably take out my shotgun soon. Where the hell are we going? I don't understand. Oh, it was in here. It was in here. And then we go in the cave from here. Open this up. We gotta put the golden armor on.
No, remember, you don't have to. To head in, you have to? Oh.
Okay, I got my pistol with a flashlight on it, so I don't need to do all of that.
Remember we need the cross?
Yeah, but do you really want to fight all the demons? Or can you
No, I'm
just
gonna put the... Yeah, I'm gonna use the katana, because it kills them pretty easily.
Yeah, the crosses, honestly, they take so much more extra work.
Yeah.
And these demons, I'm not even gonna pay much attention. I'm saving all of my. Let's go. Let's get using education. And honestly, I'm saving all of the ammo and all of the stuff for when we really need it. In the big fight. Okay, can I get this out here? Okay. I'm not wasting it all on the fucking little demons.
Can you wait for me?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm a little far behind. I had to open up an inventory. So I changed my shotgun to slug. I made Molotovs.
Actually,
I have grenades.
Okay, yeah, this looks It's just
Yeah.
kind of.
I
I
forgot
don't
about the.
understand why shotgun ammo was so much easier to find. Like, how does that work?
I forgot about the jump. Just
you
went
fall?
right into the lava. Yeah, I forgot about the jump.
Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Can you respawn?
Nope. Oh wait, yeah.
You have to be able to respawn.
Wait, what?
I'm on a pad photo, so I'm not waiting for you. I'm straight.
Wait,
I
no,
have, like,
don't leave yet.
I have
I'm
like
literally
6
right.
demons on my tail.
I'm literally right next. I lost all my creepy armor. All right, no, we're restarting.
No,
No,
we're not.
I lost everything.
Oh my god, it's fine. We're not even gonna like pay that much attention. We're just gonna. Do
Oh,
this
I'm
real
not
quick.
gonna be able to survive.
We can respawn and just put the golden armor on.
Hold on,
Remember, now we have all of our ammo because we're not retards and we know how to play the game. So we can shoot them
Oh,
from a
that was
distance.
so stupid. Oh my god.
Okay, I lost the majority of them. I only have one chasing me. How did I say that? One up. It's more careful. It's literally what oh my god, there's so many. I should try to slide down this. Well, you know what game I'm gonna play next? Like on the channel? It's not multiplayer, but
What?
just, you know what game I'm gonna play next?
What?
I'm gonna replay Doom Eternal.
Okay.
Oh my god! There's so many behind me. I hear the pitter patters. Oh my god, that is the next. This is an actual scary game, man. My phone stopped going off. I think they went away. Oh, dude, just like right in my ass.
Okay, I'm back in the room. Far away though.
You're in the room. You restarted.
Yeah. No, Ivan. I'm in the lava room.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant like the bedroom.
No.
I'm getting close to where the boss is. Yeah, this episode's gonna be quick, just cause only cause we're not focusing on any of the demons. They come for me. Actually, I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna run. I'm in the main room with the demons. Big boss.
I'm gonna die soon. Yeah, I'm dead. All
No.
those monsters that were behind you just went right to me.
Oh, that's why I lost it.
Yeah.
Alright, well, it's fine because when you respawn, you'll be right next to me. Like, right at the entrance to the rock.
Thank God I'm still alive. I don't know how I lived through that. Alright, you. How far away are you? Goddamn. Oh my god, there's so many.
I have like 3 on my ass right now. Get to the big dog. Kill him. Jesus. What the hell? I'm at the big dog. I just tried to shoot at the big dog and I just got mauled. There's like 18 fucking. angry.
Oh my god, there's so many of these little guys.
You want to see where I am right now? There's literally only of them. Dylan?
No. Oh shit, oh my god.
I know it's not
Oh my
confusing,
God.
but I'm jumping across the wall. Shotgun. Wait, man. I'm not using it on them though. I'm going straight to
Oh
the big
my
dog.
god, there's way too many.
Oh, it's fine. We'll live.
What are you talking about? Uh-oh.
Oh, it's not There's the big dog yet. I'm getting hit. Oh my god. I'm gonna need you to res me real quick. Even if
I
it's
don't-
really quick. No, you literally have to pass by me. It takes 2 seconds. Is the guy camping me?
I'm not near you, but hold up. I'm gonna try and get to you. Alright. I think I can get you. Alright, get up. Oh
That's the guy.
shit!
Oh, I just died again.
I'm dead. There's way too many of those like
I
little
know.
guys.
I think it's even harder now because there's like
Yeah.
100 of the other fucking ones. But we need buckshot bullets. Slug bullets are good, but like not really that great. Shit, there's one over here. Let's keep it going. Oh shit! Bro, move out of the fucking. We're gonna have to kill this one.
Alright.
Cause okay, nope, we can maneuver around it. I'm really trying not to waste any ammo on it.
Yes, same. Oh,
You dead?
wait. No, yes, I am. Oh my god, I'm so done with this game. I
just
literally
shot
just
you.
got.
No, I just shot you.
Oh my god.
It's fine, we're close.
I literally just got meds, and then it insta killed me. I don't even know how. Oh my god.
Shit, they are crawling right up my ass.
Why did we do this?
Cause I want to get the other ending. I'm not ending the game by us staying on the island.
Where are you?
I'm
Oh.
deep in. It's only on my tail. Okay, I only got like 2 on my tail right now. I say that and another 2 come in. And another 2. Alright, I'm that big dog. Oh, it's like the minute I shoot, Big Dog jumps up and fucking kills it. Damn it. Big Dog's gonna lose. I can't even shoot him, all these little fucks. Died because the fucking time is. Are you know what, it's probably easier to just respawn because you're over there anyway. Okay, it's explosive time because they're all in a group, so
I shot him, and he doesn't take any damage. I had to fucking respawn. not gonna play this soon.
Dude, just finish it with me.
It's there's too many of them.
Well, that's why we have bombs. So
Yeah, I know, but like,
I have no more grenades, but I do have regular bombs. Time bombs. So I'm gonna try to rally them all up. And then I'm basically gonna train them, like in BO3, Dylan. Think of it like that. Bro, can these fucking people stop snapping? Oh, I just walked right into lava like an idiot.
oh,
I just died. How'd I just die? I just died out of thin air.
I think this is the most annoying fight in like the whole game. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for you because I think it's better if we're sticking together.
Dylan, we might have to pull out the Jesus game. We might have to take out the crosses just to kill all of the little ones first.
I say we use an explosive idea.
If that works, which I'm praying it does. But time bombs take a lot of time to explode.
Okay, alright, let's do this.
I'm gonna need you to try to shoot Big Dog, and then when Big Dog goes down, I'm throwing a time bomb. And I don't know if that's gonna kill him instantly. I kinda doubt it's going to, but I have 2 time bombs. Wait up. I'm gonna eat something real quick because I need more stamina.
Alright, come on, big boy. That sounded really weird.
Yeah, that was a little low.
Ow!
There's a shit ton.
Yeah. I'm just shooting.
I see Big Dog.
Yeah. Ivan, honestly, we should throw...
Come at me. No, he went at the ceiling. I thought he was right on the ceiling. I'm throwing another bomb just at the little ones. Explode. Hurry up and explode. It's like the bombs explode at the worst times possible.
It won't do any damage.
I can't take anything out. I don't have enough time. I'm hitting with the axe. How am I getting hit while I'm still down? Yep. Alright. I'm bleeding. I'm not gonna
Wait, hold up. Wait, I think I can get you. I got you.
So easily.
Yep, I died. Oh no, I didn't.
Okay, just try to do what you can.
I'm doing pretty good with the shotgun.
My shotgun's almost so I'm not even gonna try.
Oh, I can get you. He went up the roof.
Okay. If I die already. Oh, the axe is so slow to swing. I don't understand. Why I can still get hurt in my
Hold up, I can.
Run. Please,
Fuck.
please, just let me grab my shotgun. Okay, finally, I got the shotgun.
Can you cover me? I need to get my
Oh, we
meds.
killed him! We killed him! He's
Wait.
done.
Oh my god, I'm done with this game so much. It's so stupid how they can kill you in your inventory. Can
They're
you
done.
res me?
Yeah, I got you. They're done. We got him. That's it.
Alright, let's just.
I'm not
fucking
skinning
go.
this one.
We don't need to
We
anyway.
don't need to. The game's over. Finally, bro.
Whoa.
I'm beating the game like I really want to now. Like I really want to. Just get this over with. We can finally have a peaceful ending and have a real ending to the game where I can do a full outro and say this game was great. Wait, is Kelvin pulling up?
I
We're
think.
out of time.
Imagine, like.
Wait, so this
'cause-
guy's Timmy. Is that why we look at him?
Yeah.
No, no.
Oh, and that's why his head starts to go crazy. Remember last time with Timmy when his head went like crazy? 14, 13.
This part's crazy right
Is
here.
Kelvin here? Yeah. No, Kelvin. Oh, no, he's in here. Kelvin! Okay, remember, Dylan, don't go back for your bag.
Yeah.
Go straight to the fucking helicopter. I'm not even waiting.
That was so funny. But I thought it was a glitch.
Okay, this thing is a.
Oh, because he didn't go into that, like, you know, this thing we're in. He turned into a monster. That's how people. Yeah. All right, just get into the helicopter.
Okay.
Wait, that's the dad from the original game.
Puffton? Maybe it
Alright.
is, but then that's not Edward Puffton. Getting the
Fought
fucking
demon.
helicopter.
We got fought demon.
We had fight demons and then fought demons, which is fun.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, while the credits play, while the nice helicopter ride goes by, let's explain our appreciation of this game. This game was fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very well. Okay, well, actually, not very well made right now because it's like fucking textures are not loading in. But whatever.
Yeah.
It was a fun game.
Yeah.
It was a good game. There were times where it was really fucking hard and not like basically unbeatable.
Yeah.
Amazing job to end the night. Amazing
Yeah.
quality game. A lot. It was fun too. In the beginning it wasn't, but near the end you go. It's a really fun game. So thank you for watching. This is the now formal ending of
Yeah.
Sons of the Forest. And I enjoyed that game. I'm not gonna say bye-bye yet. Because I wanna let the credits go. But I'm just gonna get this game. And of course the last game, and of course there's a lot of more in this game that we don't really understand yet.
Yeah.
That we kind of because of but I've forgotten. But maybe one day we'll release a video. Or,
remember Timmy in his hotel room in the? Yeah, I think that's when he was. Oh.
Remember when he was scared out of the city?
Yeah.
But I don't get that whole fucking futuristic city. Like, what was that?
I don't know.
Like, was that like a simulation?
I think it's the future. I don't know.
So,
Oh, maybe that's what the cult was trying to go to.
maybe. I have to think that this I have a feeling this is probably gonna be the last game.
Yeah.
And I don't know if they're gonna make another one with graphic. So, should we review?
No. Mine just looks like the normal ocean. Yeah.
Amazing game. Great quality, great everything. Only thing that really disappoints is the ending, but hey, it's not
Yeah.
bad. The music's fucking crazy, so.
Oh.
Special thanks to Valve, Augusta Butland, Farquette, Charles Alal, Stuart Berserk, Evan Frazier, Jordan Chamberlain, Brody Stokes, and Angela McKay.
Alright.
Alright. Is that it? Did we beat the forest? Sons of the Forest?
Yeah.
My thing is frozen. Do a second.
I'm at the main menu.
Thank you guys for watching. This series is amazing. And we appreciate
Yeah.
everything. We will hit you guys with another game very soon. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.